Hello Snehagidi, welcome to our new YouTube channel Tirupati Gomati All in All. In today's upload, we are going to see the story time for kids and we are going to hear the best of Tenali Raman stories. The name of the story is God in the Mirror. Tenali Raman was a great writer of funny poems. He was attached to the court of Krishnadeva Raya of Vijayanagar kingdom. One day, during a conversation, Tenali Raman said to the king, "Your Majesty, people always lie whenever they get a chance to." "How can you say that, Tenali? I have never been a king for so many years, but I have never lied. As far as I know, people lie under certain situations. They do not lie always as you said. Your Majesty, I have a point that there is no one in the world who has never lied." "Tenali, you are generalizing. I, being a king, have never lied and can never lie." "I can prove otherwise, Your Majesty. If so, then I challenge you," the king said. "Your Majesty, I need 1,000 gold coins and a year's time to prove my theory." King Krishnadeva Raya agreed. After taking the money, Tenali did not appear in the court for that whole year. He engaged himself in constructing a large, palatial and beautiful house. Its interiors were colorful and attractive. The house had a room with a large mirror affixed to a wall. The other walls were adorned with beautiful paintings. At last, a great and a beautiful house was ready. After a year, Tenali disguised himself as a sage. He went to King Krishnadeva Raya's court. No one, not even the king, could identify him. The sage approached the king and said, "Your Majesty, I have built a beautiful house for myself. I stay and pray there. My devotion has impressed the god. He appears before me every day in one of the rooms. I request you to feel free to see the god for yourself." But he is only visible to those who had led a righteous life and had never lied in their lives. King Krishnadeva Raya agreed to visit the sage's house. To test the sage's word, the king first sent a minister to the house. The minister admired the beautiful house and then went to the room fitted with the mirror. When he stood before the mirror, he saw his own reflection. He did not see any god. Now he felt afraid to tell the truth to the king. He returned to the palace and lied to the king. He said, "Your Majesty, the sage is correct. I saw the god in the wall. I am so overwhelmed with emotions." To confirm once more, the king asked another minister to go to the sage's house. The second minister also did not see the god, but was not courageous to tell the truth. He too lied before the king. "Oh, Your Majesty, it was a wonderful experience." Now the king thought, now I must go and check the truth." So the king went to the sage's home. When he stood before the mirror, he too was faced by his own reflection. At this, he thought, according to the sage, only a person who has never lied can see the god in this wall. Now, if I tell him that I haven't seen the god, he will think that I am a liar." The king came out of the room and said to the sage, "You were right. I saw the god in that wall. I am feeling so blessed." "Your Majesty, are you sure you saw the god?" asked the sage. "Yes, I did," the king replied. "You see God in that wall of the room, didn't you?" the sage asked again. The king replied positively, yet the sage posed the same question again. This angered the king. He said, "How dare you suspect my answer? If you not had been a sage, I would have killed you." The sage smiled and pulled off his false beard. Tenali Raman now stood before the king. He said, "Your Majesty, you had insisted that you, as a king, would never lie. Your ministers were liars, but you too behaved like them. Now, do you accept that everyone is a liar sometime or the other?" Krishna Deva Raya accepted his defeat and felt ashamed of his contact. So, dear children, what do you learn from this story? We should not lie to others. We should always be truthful. So, dear all, if you like my channel, please do put a thumbs up, and also you can share it with your friends and relatives. And if you like this stories and my channel, you can subscribe my channel by pressing the bell icon nearby, so that you can get all the notifications related to my post and you can enjoy it forever. Thank you so much. Hope you all enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Thank you.